welcome to Pokerflex, guys. Just a quick video. We ordered a blister pack, just battle styles from Sword and Shield. We're going to go ahead straight away and just see what we can find in these packs, and let's go straight to it.
Right, we'll start off with the middle one. I'm not sure who he is on the front.
We're all new to us. So.
Yeah. Guess the energy?
Electric.
Electric. Water.
Yes.
Well done. Right. Cacturn. Rapid Strike Energy. Experience Share. Houndor. Lickitung. Horsey. Mankey. Maywile. Buffalo. And a Bronzong.
Hollow.
Nice.
Oh, that's cool. Psychic. No.
Honchcrow. Heatmore. Single Scroll of Scorn. Energy. Yamper. Lickitung. Zubat. Remoraid. Onyx. Reverse Hollow Bruxish. And a Hollow Egg Slash.
We'll skip the energy guess on this one.
I think it was me. I did it wrong. That's alright, it's fine.
Fun.
Yeah. Right, guess the energy. Water.
Fire. Oh.
Tower of Darkness. Girder. Durant. Honge. Honge? Tiger. Electabuzz.
Yeah.
Bellsprout. Bronzor. Reverse Hollow Scatterbug. And a Boltund.
Regular rare.
Nice, not bad.
Okay. That's just a quick video, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll upload another video very shortly. Thank you. Bye.
Thank you.